Dr. Patricia Cross, who was the Dean of the College of Education at the University of California at Berkeley, said something about learning that was very powerful when she said that active learning is the grand meta principle. And what she meant by that is if you want students to actually learn, active learning is the key. But one of the problems, of course, is that active learning doesn't happen that often. Passive learning is the norm across the world. And so what we need is a way to, let's say this, a way to simplify active learning. To that end, I encourage you to come to a series of workshops across Australia and New Zealand. These are flipped learning certification workshops. These workshops are taught by the leading flipped educators across Australia and New Zealand. These experts have become trained and have used flipped learning to bring active learning into schools, because we realize that active learning happens best in the context of a simple model to make it happen. And we think that flipped learning is like the easy button to make this happen. So I encourage you to come to one of these amazing workshops across Australia and New Zealand. You can see the link on how to find out more. We'll see you there.